TPD moves to end illegal rafting on White River in St. Ann. St. Ann Mason shot and killed in Montego Bay. Teen to be questioned re-alleged stabbing death of mom's lover. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Raftsmen on the White River in Otrio St. Ann are expressing frustration towards security forces over seeing the removal of rafts from the river by private contractors during a massive police military operation. The raid following months of complaints about illegal activities in the area. A St. Ann Mason was shot and killed by unknown assailants at the Barge Village housing scheme in Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as O'Neill Jones of Parrytown in St. Ann. Reports from the Freeport Police are that about 9 p.m., residents of Barge housing scheme alerted the police after hearing gunshots in the area and saw a man running from a white 2016 Toyota Fielder motorcar which was parked along the roadside. On examination, the police found multiple bullet holes all over the vehicle. A search of the area led to the discovery of Jones' body in a yard with multiple gunshot wounds to the upper region. He was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The St. Ann police are preparing to question a teenager who allegedly fatally stabbed a man said to be his mother's lover during a domestic dispute on Tuesday night. The deceased is 58-year-old Desmond Smith, alias Bandic of Coulthard Grove District, Claremont, in the parish. Reports are that about 10:30 p.m. on Tuesday, Smith and his spouse were reprimanding the teenager when he later damaged several items in the house. Further reports are that Smith intervened and the teenager subsequently used a knife to inflict wounds to him. The wounded man was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The teenager reportedly turned himself over to the police and remains in their custody.